Greetings and salutations and welcome to the video. Today's video is a little bit different, just a quick update before though. Apologies for the lack of videos coming out for the past couple of weeks. It's been Easter, I'm just really had a bit of a holiday, a bit of a break. I'll produce content when I can, but as I said in an update video, it's not always the easiest thing to record, especially when you've got everyone in the house making noise. So yeah, I'm trying to produce content, but I've also been picking up some new stuff, so I'm also learning VRED now, which is super cool. So VRED is a rendering product, and it's really good. It's designed for the automotive industry, so rendering cars and stuff, and it's really good. It's really expensive at 12 grand, which is the biggest gripe, so small companies are like, won't even go near this. But yeah, it's super cool. It's got some really good features. It renders stuff beautifully, and it's pretty quick, although it does cane your CPU quite heavily. As you see, it's quite relatively easy to start, but it gets really complicated because you see, I'm just using a default studio and background, whereas you can see you can put in actual proper backgrounds. So when you render your car, you can put it in a garage, on the road, kind of whatever you want to do. Is a lot more freedom. It's a lot more powerful compared to Inventor Studio. But I think that my personal favourite has to be VRED Go. And so VRED Go is a really good way to send your product, like send a render of your product out as a file, but without them able to measure it. It's a dumb solid, effectively. They can't get any data, they can't get any sizing. All they just know is, here's what it looks like, and it's really good. And making VRED Go files, so easy. You literally just go to File, Publish VRED Go, and to set it to desktop, there's a VR mode, so if you've got a VR headset that's supported, then you can use that. Some really good stuff done with it. Check it out. Check some other people out on YouTube. And then you've got your start behavior, which is just your full screen. And then you got your expiry, because unfortunately these files I think are hosted online, so nothing lasts really forever. And password, you can just put a password on there. And if you just click OK, and you see I created one to this video. For some reason my graphics card cut out recording, so you know that's fun. And so you see how to save it as mass too. It already exists. Replace it. Click yes. And then you see it then starts creating a VRED Go file. It takes a little bit of time because it's a reasonably large file, and VRED Go files are super cool because they're standalone, they're executable. Your client doesn't need to have VRED, they just need to be able to run it, and pretty much all Windows computers can run executable files. They're not the easiest of things to send because they can be anywhere from like 900 megabytes, depending on how big your render is, all the way up to multiple gigabytes, which means you're going to have a cloud-based solution like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive to actually use the damn things. But otherwise, they're super cool. And so you see here, render pretty much the same. So now if I then just open my files, go to VRED files, and then just click on mass4(2.exe, it's now then going to start loading up. And so you know, we just click on load, and we trust it, so you can click OK. And then you see, loads up VRED Go, and you see it just starts initializing. And it's super cool because once it loads, you can literally just get a showing of your model when it loads. Is it going to load? There we go. Loading from stream. And here you go. Literally. Super cool, super quick, and you can send it out to anyone. You can actually send it and they can completely pan around. If you've got multiple options like a car, you can change the paint jobs. Super cool, super quick, and a really easy way to protect your IP and to show clients what it looks like. So yeah, that's really it. I'm learning VRED. If I have any more updates on VRED, I'll share them, but for now, thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next video, whenever that may be. See you next video. Goodbye.